So welcome to another Machine Monday. Traditionally, to make basic changes on a production line, it would require a PLC programmer, a database programmer, and a fair amount of downtime. We've tried to change this around, and I'd like to show you how. So I want to use this demo stand to illustrate the no-code flexibility we've built into production lines. So in this particular station, the typical process is we pick a panel, we scan it and place it into the position. We then pick the next panel, scan it and then place it into position, and then we fit the seat with its bolts. From the data we've analyzed, we've learned that what would be much quicker and more effective is to pick the two panels and then scan the two panels. And in fact, what we've also learned is to move the seat assembly from this station to the next station. And I want to dive into the configurator we've developed to help illustrate the no-code environment we've created for process engineers to optimize production lines. Because the application is web-based, as long as you have access to your plant network through a VPN, you could be sitting anywhere in the world and you could change these processes that we've spoken about. So I'm now logged into Odin Workstation configurator, and I'm on the sequence page. And to move operations around, I simply drag and drop them to the desired position. So what I've done is I've now moved the two scans together, and I'm going to take the second picking panel further up in the process. So now I can, as I said earlier, pick the two panels and then scan the two panels. And all I do is simply save the panel, save the change, and it's actually downloaded directly onto the line. What I'm also able to do is, so I'm going to remove the seat in this station, as we've discussed, the seat, and apply the screws. And the two operations have been removed from this particular station. I can then go into the second station and add the two seat operations in there. And this is the no-code interface that we've developed that enables process engineers to optimize production lines without being programmers. And this brings huge flexibility and efficiencies to our customers. Here's another Machine Monday.